Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm going to take you one-on-one on how to solve a PayPal problem of oops. This is my Kenyan PayPal. I was trying to withdraw this amount of funds. Anytime I would try to withdraw them through PayPal and Pesa. I'll come here and try to log in. Once I come to login, you know automatically that once you have linked your PayPal to M-Pesa, you can be able to withdraw your cash directly through the platform that is called Zones. This is the platform. It tells me welcome PayPal mobile service with M-Pesa. Finally, in Kenya, you can now move funds between PayPal and M-Pesa account. Your money, your choice. Withdraw from PayPal. Once I click withdraw from PayPal, I'll try to withdraw the whole amount of 160 USD, and I'm sure it will give me that problem of oops. When I try to withdraw cash, this is what it told me. Oops, the withdrawal could not be complete. Transaction could not process. For more information, visit this. So this is a problem that I'll be solving. Ensure if you have the same problem, reach me out via my WhatsApp number in my description link of my videos, and I'll be able to assist you, or through my official Gmail account, njogukarongo@gmail.com. So anytime I try to withdraw the balance, that is what it tells me. So this problem is solved this way. You will come to our PayPal account. Once we come to our PayPal account, we'll say stay logged in. Stay logged in. We can see there is a query that here it tells us, please verify and confirm debit card. Then to complete the verification and preset the limits of your account. So we'll come here and verify the card. And in process of verifying the card, we'll come here and say verify the card. And as we are seeing the verify the card, we can see here when we go to our balance, we'll see that we have an attached card. This is the attached card, but it has not been confirmed. So we need to confirm the card. Once we confirm the card, I think we'll be good to go. So this is the MasterCard that has been attached. So what will it tell us? Check your card statement, and for the code, enter the code and confirm that when we will lift your sending with the draw limits. So we'll just come here and say enter the code to confirm. So the code that we are confirming, it means that when we attach the MasterCard, PayPal charged our MasterCard $1.95, and in that transaction, as we open the bank statement, we can see that once when we attached our PayPal, we can see MasterCard. MasterCard, it charged our PayPal 117 shillings, and it has reversed back the 117 shillings. But on reversing, okay, it charged a total of 229, that which is equivalent to $1.95, and it charged it back. So in our bank statement, we can see the code is here 9046. We'll just come directly and input the 4 digits codes here. It tells us we charged $1.95 to your card. To confirm the card, enter the 4 digits that appear on your card activity next to the charged amount. So we'll just click 9046. Once we click there, we'll say confirm. Once we say confirm, I'm sure it will confirm. So by this confirming, it tells us that one thing that our MasterCard has been verified. Then again, we have verified the card. Then and upon verifying the card, I'm sure we will have solved this. I'm sure now this problem where we are trying to withdraw PayPal and M-Pesa, where it tells us, oops, the withdrawal could not be complete, the transaction could not process. For more information, contact this has been solved. In case I said you have this issue, ensure you reach me out through my videos. In the description link, you'll find my WhatsApp number, or I'll be able to assist you. So at that point, we can see that the MasterCard had an exclamation mark. Now it has been confirmed. Once we see it has been confirmed, we see even there is no that bar that was telling us to confirm. we'll click here and we'll say please confirm the card, debit card. This one has been the card has been verified, and I know now this no notification is no longer valid. Then let us click it, see what it will tell us, because we've just verified, and I've shown you approve where it has told us that it has gone through. So it is taking time to load. Meanwhile, as it loads, we will come in, okay, it has some error, because it has some error because we have already confirmed. This error is coming because we have already confirmed, and the card is already officially linked. We'll come to our official withdraw transaction, and we'll try to withdraw. Maybe we'll try to withdraw $3, $3 US. Once we say continue withdraw, it will say confirm, and within minutes the transaction the transaction has processed. You see, it tells us "Oop, could not be processed." For more information, enter into this. We'll be able to come here, and we will log out and log in again and try to withdraw the same cash. Lifestyle tutorials, ensure you subscribe for these tutorial and other resourceful tutorials that you'll get educated and through education. So we'll come here and say continue to withdraw. And to ensure that we have solved that problem of oops, we can see your transaction is processed with minutes. We'll say confirm. And upon saying confirm,